Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw money from Kalshi. So the first thing you need to do is open up your Kalshi website and then log in your account. Once you do that, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. From here, all you need to do is just click on this withdraw fund option. And once you do that, it's going to show you this window. So on this window, you just have to enter the amount you want to withdraw right here and then enter the preferred payment method that you want to receive your payment in. And once you select all of these details, simply click on this review button. And once you do that, this is going to show you this window. From here, you need to review your transfer. So simply check your payment method, your withdrawal amount, and the fee they are going to charge for you with this withdrawal, and the amount you will get in your bank. Once you verify all of these details and review them, simply click on this submit button, and then you will get this confirmation message that you will get your money in 2 business days. So that is how you can withdraw your money in Kalshi. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.